In this video, I'll guide you through how to disable game activity on Steam. Whether you're looking to enjoy a little more privacy or just want to keep your gaming habits under wraps, this is the place to start. Let's dive right in and get that sorted for you. First, you'll need to open the Steam app on your computer. Make sure you're logged in with the account you want to adjust. Steam is not only a hub for purchasing and managing your games, but it also has a social aspect that shares your gaming activity with your friends. Turning this off is a straightforward process, and I'll walk you through it step by step. Once you have Steam open, take a look at the top right corner of the window. Here, you'll find your profile name. Go ahead and click on it. This will bring up a drop-down menu with several options related to your account. From this menu, you'll want to click on View My Profile. This takes you to your personal profile page, where you can see your activity feed, friends list, and other details about your account. Next up, on your profile page, you'll see an option to Edit Profile. Click on that. This is where you can tweak various settings related to how your profile is displayed and what information is shared with others. It's worth noting that this is a great place to customize your Steam presence overall, but today we're focusing specifically on game activity. After you click Edit Profile, look for the Privacy Settings option. This is usually located in the menu along the side or top of the profile editing page. Clicking this will take you to a page where you can adjust who can see various aspects of your Steam activity. Now, on the Privacy Settings page, you'll see an option for Game Details. This controls who can see the games you own, your playtime, and your achievements. By default, this might be set to Friends Only or Public, depending on your previous settings. To ensure that your game activity is hidden from everyone, select Private. This means that only you will be able to see your game details, keeping your gaming habits completely to yourself. And there you have it. Your game activity is now private, and you can enjoy your games without broadcasting your activity to your friends or the public. If you ever want to change this setting back, simply follow these steps again and select a different privacy level. Remember, adjusting your privacy settings is a great way to control your digital footprint and ensure that your online presence reflects your preferences. Steam provides these options to give you the flexibility to manage your information, so take advantage of them to tailor your experience. Thanks for tuning in to this quick guide on how to disable game activity on Steam. If you found this helpful, be sure to check out our other videos for more tips and tutorials on making the most out of your gaming experience. Happy gaming, and see you next time.